And we're back to learn CapCut in a year day 22. Let me show you how you can adjust the zoom speed, and that basically goes for all animations. I've shown you in the last couple of videos. We select our clip here, go to the start, and then we'll find under video basic the scaling, for example. We create a keyframe here at the start position. We'll move forward, let's say maybe to like, I don't know, 10 seconds. Create another keyframe, and then let's make that 150. And now we have this gradual zoom animation in between 0 and 10 seconds. You can see that under video basic, the number for scale gradually rises from 100% to 150. We also do that for the position because we want to have it in center here at the end. So we create 2 keyframes at 0 and then at 10 seconds. At 10 I reposition it, and now we zoom in. And our view moves a little bit so that the guy is always in center. Let's say now it is too slow for you, or you can easily left click drag on your keyframes right here. So these icons, they resemble the keyframes. And put it right here at around 5 seconds. And now you can see the animation for scaling and positioning is now way faster. I can also drag this icon for the keyframes to the right, and it slows it down. And this is the trick for most animations, so in this case scaling and positioning. You can also do that for rotation, and everywhere you find this diamond icon, just drag around these keyframes in the timeline, and that way you can slow down or speed up your animations. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.